I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your own incredible hot sauce. First, let's talk about what you'll need. The star of the show is, of course, your peppers. Choose fresh, ripe ones for the best flavor and heat profile. You'll also need a good quality vinegar, like apple cider or distilled white, which acts as a preservative and flavor enhancer. Don't forget your salt, garlic, and any other spices you love to build a complex and delicious sauce. We're aiming for a fantastic homemade condiment. Now that you have your ingredients, let's get them ready. First, wash your peppers thoroughly and chop them into smaller pieces. You can leave the seeds in for extra heat. Next, you'll want to create a brine. A good starting point is a 2% salt solution by weight, which means 2 grams of salt per 100 milliliters of water. Submerge your peppers in this brine in a clean jar, ensuring they stay below the liquid. Let this ferment for at least 7 days, or even several weeks for deeper flavors. After fermentation, it's time to transform those peppers into a delicious sauce. Carefully transfer your fermented peppers and some of the brine into a blender. Blend until you reach a smooth, consistent texture. If the sauce is too thick, you can add a little more fresh vinegar or filtered water, 1 tablespoon at a time until it's just right. Taste and adjust the seasoning, perhaps a pinch more salt, a touch of sugar, or a dash of your favorite spices will perfect the flavor profile. Finally, let's get your amazing hot sauce ready for enjoyment. For a super smooth sauce, you can strain it through a fine mesh sieve, pressing out all the liquid. Next, gently heat your sauce to about 180 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 minutes. This helps stabilize it for longer storage. Carefully pour the hot sauce into clean, sterilized bottles. Once cooled, store your homemade hot sauce in the refrigerator, where it will last for several months, ready to spice up any meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.